Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make sum equation in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here some data. Now we want to make the data is sum, or otherwise write the sum equation. At first, click a cell, then write your sum equation. Press is equal to firstly, then write sum. Start the first bracket and select your first value, then press clone on your keyboard, then select the last value, then end the bracket, then press enter. We can see we make the sum equation in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.